Hi, this is Nathalie from Line.arrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here with another show and tell video of a new, well, it's a huge kit. It's 30 pages. I couldn't stop. I kept on going. Well, I stopped at 29 and I thought, well, then I have to make 30, of course. But these are vintage book pages, grunge journal pages. Like I said, 30 pages. So there are a lot of pages to play with. And I'm just going to show you the pages. A lot of journal pages, but also a lot of embellishment pieces. And like I said, it's kind of grunge. With florals, with botanicals, with also little photographs, old vintage photographs. So it's a very diverse kit. And they are all actually book pages, so like they are in a book. That's why it's called vintage book pages. This is one of my favorite pages also. Well, they are all are. Yeah, I just couldn't stop making papers for this kit. This is one of my favorite pages too. I really like this one. Also included some backing pages for you to actually write on or to use on the back side of the tags. Another backing page, writing page. Also a favorite page of mine. And also I included a collage page because yeah, you need collages, don't you? And I'm really happy with this. Then I have some pattern pages. You can rip or collage yourself with all the elements, or you can use it as the background to create fun spreads in your journal. And here are the ephemera pieces. A few of the items I also put in a mini, but most of them are new. They are all new, but some you have twice larger and smaller. These are little booklets, but you can also turn them into little journal cards, cut them so you have 4 separate cards. Or you can turn it into a little pocket. That's also a possibility. Large tags, very large tags. The regular size tags. Journal cards and typewriter. Letters and numbers, and also the signs. Little bits and pieces to fuzzy cut and to embellish your project with. More journaling cards, tabs, pockets. These are the minis, so you can embellish little things on your tags or pockets. And included a file folder, so you can make a little booklet and an envelope with some little bits and bobs. Smaller tags, smaller journal cards, and a smaller version of the typewriter keys, because they are typewriter keys. So yeah, this is the kit. Like I said, it's huge. I think you can actually make 2 journals out of this one, or add them to several projects. If you are a Tim Holtz fan like I am, and you have Tim Holtz paper, you can combine this very good. It will fit perfectly with the Tim Holtz paper. So yeah, this one will be listed, and if you follow the link down below, it will bring you to my shop. And as usual, the kit will be listed with a 20% discount because it's a new kit, and you don't have to add a coupon code or anything. It's already on sale as it is. So I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked the kit. Let me know what you think. I also have another video of the Spring Bloom kit. That is spring with a little bit of Easter kit. Totally different, these two. So maybe you prefer the other one. I will link it after this video so you can check that one out too. So yeah, this is it for today. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, stay creative, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye. Bye.